Ever wonder how your refrigerator keeps food cold? Let's explore the science behind it. This relies on a continuous loop called the refrigeration cycle, involving a special fluid. The refrigerant is a fluid that circulates, changing between liquid and gas to carry heat away. Next, in the condenser coils, the hot gas releases heat into your kitchen air and turns into a liquid. Four main components make this cycle possible every day. The compressor acts as the heart of the system, pumping the refrigerant through the circuit. Evaporator coils inside the walls absorb the heat, keeping your shelves cool. In short, your fridge is a master of heat management, constantly cycling refrigerant to keep your items fresh. Remember, it's not creating cold. It's efficiently transferring heat from inside your food storage to the outer air.